Blenders are versatile tools in the kitchen that can make more than smoothies. They can also make pureed soup, slushies, and even spreads. Before you buy, you'll want to consider a few things like, how many speeds do you need? Do you want to tamper? Will you be processing food? Welcome to Tech Spectrum and our video covering the top 5 blenders. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Before we begin, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icon to stay up to date with our latest videos. And check out the links in the description for more info. Number 5. Best Budget Blender. KitchenAid K150. The KitchenAid K150 blender is a powerful and versatile appliance designed to handle a wide range of blending tasks. It features a 0.9 horsepower motor that can blend even the toughest ingredients, including ice, frozen fruits, and nuts. The motor is also designed to be ultra-quiet, which is a great feature for those who like to blend early in the morning or late at night. The K150 has a unique Intelli speed motor control system that adjusts the speed of the motor to suit the contents of the blender. This lets the blender maintain a consistent speed, delivering smooth results every time. Additionally, the blender has 3 speed settings, giving users more control over the blending process. The blender comes with a 48-ounce blender jar made from BPA-free and shatter-resistant plastic. The jar is dishwasher safe and has a comfortable grip handle for easy pouring. The blender also has a soft start feature that starts the motor at a slower speed and then ramps up to the selected speed. This helps prevent splatters and ensures even blending. One of the cons of the KitchenAid K150 blender is that it is a bit bulky and may take up more counter space than some other blenders. Additionally, some users have reported that the blender may not be as effective at blending small amounts of ingredients. Finally, the blender is quite heavy, which may make it difficult to move around the kitchen. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable option that works great, the KitchenAid K150 is perfect for you. Number 4. Best Compact Blender. NutriBullet RX. The NutriBullet RX is a high-powered blender designed to extract the most nutrition from fruits and vegetables. With a 1700-watt motor base, it can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease, and also has a convenient auto start and stop feature that ensures the motor won't overheat during extended use. Its highlight feature is its heating function. This function is perfect for users with busy lifestyles. It takes out a step in the cooking process and lets you make hot soups, sauces, and liquids right in the blender itself. The NutriBullet RX comes with several accessories. These include a 45-ounce oversized cup, a 30-ounce short cup, a super blast pitcher, and a range of lids. The cups and pitcher are all made of high-quality, durable plastic that can withstand daily use and cleaning. Speaking of cleaning, the blender includes a blade removal tool for the extractor blade. After taking out the blade, simply rinse it in soap and water. You can then wash the cups on the top rack of your dishwasher. One potential downside of the NutriBullet RX is its noise level. Like many high-powered blenders, it can be quite loud during operation, which may be a concern for users in shared living spaces. Additionally, the heating function can be finicky. Some users have reported difficulty getting their soups and sauces to the right temperature. Overall, if you're looking for a compact option that will save you space, the NutriBullet RX is worth checking out. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video. Let us know in the comments what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3. Best Combo Blender. Ninja SS401. The Ninja SS401 comes with a range of features that make an ideal appliance for any kitchen. It has 1600-watt power-dense motor that uses smart torque technology to blend even the toughest ingredients. The blender also features a hybrid edge blade assembly designed to better break down frozen fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds. The blender comes with a large 72-ounce power blender and processor pitcher, made from high-quality BPA-free plastic. You'll also get an 18-ounce smoothie bowl maker and a 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup. These items are dishwasher safe, making them easy to clean and maintain. The Smooth Bowl Maker features a built-in tamper designed to power through frozen ingredients. This lets you use less liquid for smoothie bowls or less nuts and seeds for smooth nut butters. The Nutrient Extraction Cup specializes in delivering better ingredient breakdown. This ensures that you get the most nutritional value from your ingredients, making an ideal choice for anyone who wants to incorporate healthy foods into their diet. There are 7 Auto IQ programs. These programs give you one-touch access to smoothies, extractions, food processing, and more. There's also variable speed control, so you can choose the speed and texture of every blend. A common complaint users have is with the build quality of the pitcher. Users have noted that the pitcher is plastic and prone to breaking or cracking with normal use. Some users have even reported that it is broken during the first use. Overall, if you're looking for a food processor and blender combo, the Ninja SS401 is a solid buy. Number 2, runner-up, Breville Super Q. The Breville Super Q is a top-of-the-line blender that offers unparalleled power and precision. With a 1800-watt motor and 186 miles per hour blade tip speed, this blender can handle even the toughest blending tasks with ease. One of the standout features of the Super Q is its noise suppression technology. While many high-powered blenders can be quite loud during operation, the Super Q uses a unique cooling system to keep noise levels to a minimum. This makes it a great option for home cooks who want to blend their favorite recipes without disturbing others in the house. The Super Q offers a range of blending programs and settings to suit different needs. It has 12 speed settings as well as 5 one-touch programs. The blender also features an LCD display that shows current settings and remaining blending time. Another great feature of the Super Q is its compatibility with Breville's VacQ vacuum pump. When used together, they can create smoother, more consistent blends by removing air from the blender jug before blending. This can be particularly useful for making creamy soups and sauces, or for blending ingredients that tend to separate or foam. One major drawback of the Super Q is its premium price tag, which may make it less accessible for some buyers. Yet many users believe that the blender's advanced features and capabilities justify the cost for those who are serious about blending and food preparation. Overall, if you're looking for a high-quality blender that can handle even the toughest blending tasks with ease, the Breville Super Q won't let you down. Number 1 Best Overall Blender, Vitamix 5200. The Vitamix 5200 is a high-performance blender designed for heavy-duty blending tasks. It has a 2-horsepower motor that can crush ice, blend tough vegetables and fruits, and even make hot soup. The blender comes with a 64-ounce container, which is perfect for blending large batches of food at once. One of its key features is its variable speed control. This feature is easy to use and lets you adjust the speed of the blender from low to high, depending on the texture you want to achieve. This blender is also equipped with a pulse feature, which allows you to blend ingredients in short bursts. The Vitamix 5200 comes with a classic tamper that's useful for pushing ingredients down into the blades while blending. This helps ensure that all its ingredients are evenly blended, without the need for stopping and scraping down the sides of the container. Another notable feature of the Vitamix 5200 are its stainless steel hammer mill and cutting blades. These blades are sharp and durable and designed to handle even the toughest ingredients. They are also designed to create a vortex that pulls ingredients down into the blades, ensuring smooth and consistent blending. A common complaint users have is with cleaning the blender. Users have mentioned that the blender can be difficult to clean due to its design, particularly the sharp blades and narrow container. It may take extra effort to ensure you're able to remove all food particles from the blades and container. Overall, if you're looking for the top-performing option, the Vitamix 5200 is the clear winner. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.